Hello friend, A-Arduino. Today I will continue to explain how to link the data from Flysky receiver. Uh, this is connect the wire from receiver, and another side is Arduino Nano. This is channel 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and power and the we use 5 volt and connect to in the middle pin and the low I that I explained in previous. This is the wiring diagram. Channel 1 I connect to pin 2, channel 2 connect to pin 3, 4, 5, 6 as shown here. That's it for wiring, and I connect 5 volt to from Arduino Nano has supply 5 volt, and make sure you common 0 together. For the transmitter side, we have to turn on. We connect already. For receiver we already connect the power, and when I power on the transmitter, you will see the TX and RX. This means both transmitter and receiver already connect each other. I will show the necessary thing that we need for now. I press this OK. This is not much. The sound beep like my battery was the again. I want to go to this and OK again and press down to display. So this will show the channel that you used here. This is channel that we use. Then you will know which one is channel that you connect to. This 1, 2, and 3, and oops, sorry, 3 and 4. Oh, oops, 3, 4, and 5 is my switch here. You can see number 5, toggle switch. The 1, 2, 3, and 4 is this is the factory default, but for switch like a special switch that you have to assign, I will explain later. Come back to our job. We have to write down the Arduino code. After you connect, you put all of this code. we assign channel, right? Yeah, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, one channel 1 2 3 4 5. We connect to pin number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, and number 6. So we ask the put 0 in the beginning for clear the number before use. For setup serial for serial begin for serial monitor, and let the pin above is input, and then loop we read we use this function power in check power to from channel 1 and keep the number in here, and then serial pin out the number. So after that you just compile and download to your Arduino. That's all. I have done for compile, and then I upload. After upload, checks out. This is channel 3. Take a look channel 3. When I go up high, up top, the number is almost 2000, and I go down 900. In the middle 1300. This is number channel 4. Take a look the number. This is number 2, channel 2, 1000 to 900. This is channel 1. And the last is channel 6. This sound mean the battery of the transmitter was really low. Okay, I hope this video helpful for all of you guys. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.